The truth about aliens on Earth, are they already among us? Are we alone in the universe, or are we just one species among billions, some of which may already be walking right beside us? Alien. From ancient carvings that look suspiciously like astronauts to modern UFO sightings caught on military radar, the idea that aliens exist and might even be here has fascinated humanity for centuries. But what if the question isn't do aliens exist? But have they been part of us all along? Let's dive into the mysteries, the theories, and the evidence that might just make you rethink what it means to be human. Part 1, The Ancient Clues. Did they visit us before? Our story begins thousands of years ago. Long before rockets, satellites, or telescopes, ancient civilizations around the world were obsessed with the stars. The Mayans, Egyptians, and Sumerians all left behind art and writings describing beings descending from the sky, beings with wings, glowing auras, or metallic suits. The famous ancient astronaut theory suggests these were not gods, but visitors from another world. Think about the pyramids of Egypt, massive stone structures aligned perfectly with constellations like Orion's belt. Or the Nazca lines in Peru, giant ground drawings that can only be seen from above. Coincidence? Maybe. But some researchers believe they were ancient landing markers or messages to celestial visitors. And let's not forget the Dogon tribe of Mali, who somehow knew about the invisible star Sirius B centuries before modern astronomy confirmed it. Their explanation? Beings from the sky told us. Part 2, Modern Encounters, When the Sky Talks Back. Fast forward to the 20th century. Humanity has radar, airplanes, and nuclear power. And suddenly, UFO sightings explode. In 1947, Roswell, New Mexico became ground zero for the modern UFO era. A mysterious object crashed in the desert. The government first called it a flying disc, then quickly changed the story to a weather balloon. Sound familiar? Ever since, the US government has quietly collected thousands of UFO reports, or as they now call them, UAPs, unidentified aerial phenomena. Leaked military footage shows objects defying physics, moving faster than any known aircraft, changing direction without inertia, and vanishing in seconds. Even Pentagon officials have admitted, we don't know what these are. So, if they're not ours, whose are they? Part 3, Where do aliens come from? There are several theories about where aliens might originate. Some scientists suggest they come from exoplanets, worlds orbiting stars like Kepler 452b or Proxima Centauri b, both capable of supporting life. Others think aliens might not even come from our universe at all. They could be interdimensional beings, slipping through cracks in spacetime, which would explain why they appear and disappear so mysteriously. And then there's the boldest theory, they come from Earth itself. Yes, what if they evolved here, long before us, and simply went underground or underwater? The oceans, after all, cover 70% of our planet and remain largely unexplored. Some UFO sightings have even been reported entering or emerging from the sea, giving rise to the idea of USOs, unidentified submerged objects. Could advanced aquatic or subterranean life be living right beneath our feet? DNA Part 4, Are we part alien too? Now here's where it gets really interesting. Some scientists, like the late Sir Francis Crick, the co-discoverer of DNA, once suggested that life on Earth might have been seeded by aliens through a process called directed panspermia. In other words, our DNA could have been designed or altered by an advanced civilization billions of years ago. And when you think about it, human DNA does contain mysterious sequences that don't match any known ancestor. Some researchers even call it genetic junk, but what if it's actually a message? Ancient astronaut theorists say that's why so many early myths describe humans being created in the image of the gods. Maybe those gods were just highly advanced beings who helped jumpstart humanity. Maybe we are the aliens. Part 5, The Hidden Connection, Why They Might Still Be Here. Reports of alien abductions, crop circles, and mysterious implants have flooded the media for decades. While many are hoaxes or misidentifications, some contain details too consistent to ignore: missing time, advanced surgical marks, or strange materials that resist analysis. Governments around the world, from the US to Russia to Brazil, have secret programs studying these cases. Some claim that aliens are quietly monitoring our species, guiding our technological progress while making sure we don't destroy ourselves. Others believe they walk among us in disguise, perfectly blended into human society. It sounds like science fiction, but then again, so did black holes, Wi-Fi, and cloning until they became real. Part 6, The Big Question: Why are they interested in us? If aliens are real, and if they've been visiting for thousands of years, what do they want? Maybe they see us as an experiment. Maybe they're waiting for us to evolve beyond war and greed. Or maybe we're part of something bigger, a galactic network of intelligent life, still unaware of our membership. Whatever the truth is, one thing's certain: humanity's curiosity about aliens reveals more about us than about them. We're explorers, dreamers, and scientists, always searching for connection beyond the stars. Maybe that's exactly what they're doing too. So, are aliens out there? Or are they already here, in our myths, our genes, or even among us? The universe is 13.8 billion years old. Maybe the real question isn't, are we alone? Maybe it's, why did we ever think we were? Thanks for watching, and remember, the truth may not be out there, it might already be within us. Ice Sparkles. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and keep your eyes on the skies.